How to customize icon shapes on the home screen and app screen on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And on the home screen, touch and hold on a blank spot. Next, tap on Themes. At the bottom here, tap on Icons. Then go down the list and select an icon shape that you would like to use. Now you can also search. You can use the search feature to search for a particular name of the icon set that you want to use. Or you can browse by features or by top. And from here, you can tap on the drop down to filter icons by paid, old, or by free version. So for free icons, you can go down the list and select a free shape. Then tap on download. Next, tap on applied. And after it has finished, you can see on your home screen and in your app screen, all the icons will be changed from that pack. And that's it. So that is how you can change the icons, apps icons on the home screen and in the app screen on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.